Dear learners, I am Dr.S. Vaaheedha Kfatheen, Department of Computer Science, Jamal Mohamed College, Trichy. In this presentation, I will explain the basic concepts of microprocessors. Dear learners, in this presentation, we will discuss the basic concepts of microprocessor. The first topic is basic concepts of microprocessor. Second topic is word length of a microprocessor. And then the third topic is evolution of microprocessors. Fourth topic is single chip microcontrollers. Finally, we will discuss about different types of buses which are available in the digital computer system. Before going to the microprocessor, first we will see what is microcomputer. Microcomputer is a digital computer in which one microprocessor has been provided to act as a central processing unit. The main components of a computer are central processing unit, memory, and then input and output devices. Examples of microcomputers are desktop computer, laptop, notebook, computer. The next topic is microprocessor. A CPU built on a single IC, that is integrated circuit. Integrated circuit means integrated collection of logic gates. We are already studied about different types of logic gates and OR, NOT, XOR, NAND, NOR, all those things. Microprocessor includes arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, registers. The next definition is microcontroller. It is a small computer on a single metal oxide semiconductor integrated circuit. Next one is multiprocessor computer system. A computer whose central processing unit contains more than one ICU. Next one, this is the systematic diagram of a microcomputer. Input device, microprocessors, output devices, memory. Whereas input devices is used to feed informations, that is programs and data to the computer. The memory is a storage device. It stores programs, data and result. The output device displays or prints program, data or results according to the instruction given to the computer. The first topic is word length of a microprocessor or word length of a computer. Before going to learn about the word length of a computer, we will see about what is bit. A bit is a binary digit, either it may be 0 or 1. Next one is byte. A group of 8 bits are called single byte, that is 1 byte. Next word. The number of bits that a digital computer can process in parallel at a time. The word length of a computer or microprocessor is given as n bit, where n may be either 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit or 64-bit. A 8-bit microprocessor can process 8-bit data at a time. Its ALU is designed to process 8-bit data. Its general purpose registers which hold data for processing are 8-bit registers. The next topic is evolution of microprocessor. We will see about the evolution of Intel microprocessor. In the year 1971, Intel introduced 4-bit positive metal oxide semiconductor microprocessor called as Intel 4004. Next, an enhanced version of Intel 4040 was developed. It is a calculator is not a programmable machine. It is not a computer. Calculator is a step-by-step technique which is used to perform the calculations. User does not prepare a program to solve the problem with the help of calculator. Example of Intel 4-bit microprocessor is Rockwell International Toshiba. And then applications, video games, toys, commercial appliances, calculator, industrial control applications. In the year 1972, Intel introduced the first 8-bit microprocessor named as Intel 8008. It uses positive metal oxide semiconductor technology. The disadvantage of this microprocessor is slow in speed, not compatible with transistor logic. So, to overcome the disadvantage, in the year 1973, Intel introduced a more powerful 8-bit microprocessor named as Intel 8080. It uses negative metal oxide semiconductor technology. And the advantages of negative metal oxide semiconductor technology is faster, compatible with transistor logic, and then higher density. Whereas this negative metal oxide semiconductor technology has some disadvantage. That is, it requires 3 power supplies. So, to overcome this problem, in the year 1975, Intel developed an improved 8-bit negative metal oxide semiconductor microprocessor. So, the advantage is it uses only plus 5 volt power supply. Example, Motorola, Rockwell International. Then applications of this 8-bit microprocessors, industrial control applications, instrumentation used in small general purpose computers. The addressing capacity of this 8-bit microprocessor is 64 kilobytes of memory locations. Clock frequency is 1 MHz to 6 MHz. This type of microprocessor use large scale integration technology, and it contains 5,000 to 10,000 transistors. In the year 1978, Intel developed 16-bit microprocessor called as Intel 8086. The series of 16-bit Intel microprocessors are 80186, 8088, 80188. In the meantime, Microprocessor also developed 12-bit microprocessor besides central processing unit. Intel 8086 contains some additional components, that is 3 programmable 16-bit, 2 independent high-speed direct memory access channels, programmable interrupt controller, clock generators, local bus controller, support for virtual memory. Integrated memory management unit. It uses very low scale integration technology. Directly access 1 MB to 16 MB memory locations, and it uses assembly languages and efficient high-level languages. The applications are complex industrial applications. In the year 1980, Intel developed 32-bit microprocessor. Example, IAPX432. In the year 1985, again Intel developed a 32-bit microprocessor named as Intel 80386. The applications are desktop, portable, workstations, notebooks, server computers. And then 64-bit microprocessors were also developed. The examples for 64-bit microprocessors are Sun Spark, Ultra Spark. Multi-core processors contains 2, 4, 8 or more CPUs on a single integrated circuit. The next third topic is single chip microcomputers. With the development of very large scale integration technology and ultra large scale integration technology, it became possible to build a digital computer on a single IC. A digital computer built on a single IC is called single chip microcomputer. It is very small and compact, and it is also used for control applications. It is also called microcontroller or embedded microcontroller. It contains CPU, ROM, EEPROM, RAM and I/O line. In the year 1976, Intel introduced 8046 series of single-chip 8-bit microcomputers. It is also known as MCS48. In the 1980, Intel introduced a powerful series of 8-bit microcontrollers, Intel 8051. They are faster, enhanced instruction set, including instructions for multiplication and division, full duplex serial mode, power saving modes of operations, etc. It has many versions. Some versions have analog to digital converter, some with pulse width modulator, etc. In the year 1983, Intel introduced 16-bit microcontrollers, Intel 8096 series. They are more powerful compared to 8-bit microcontrollers. They are used for sophisticated real-time applications such as industrial control, instrumentation, etc. Motorola has developed 32-bit RISC reduced instruction set computer microcontroller. It is used in advanced communication devices, speech processing system, etc. IBM has developed 32-bit reduced instruction set computer. It is used in office automation equipment, telecommunications, networking and personal digital assistance. Last topic is buses. Various input-output devices and memory devices are connected to a CPU by groups of lines called buses. The type of buses are address bus, data bus, control bus. First one is address bus. It carries address of a memory location or I/O device. Bus is a collection of wires. Without the help of the bus, it is not possible to transfer a single bit of information between any two electronic device within a computer system. Address bus carries address from one location to another location. When address is sent by the CPU, all devices connected to the CPU through address bus receive this address, but only that device will respond which has also received chip-enabled signal from the central processing unit. The next one is data bus. It is used to transfer data between microprocessor, memory and input-output devices. The width of data bus is same as the width of the central processing unit. Third bus is control bus. It is used to carry necessary control signals between CPU and memory and input-output devices. The data and control buses are called bidirectional and D bus and C bus respectively. The data and control buses are bidirectional.